Blyth's paradise flycatcher, Terpsiphone affinis, also known as the Oriental paradise flycatcher, is a bird species belonging to the family Monarchidae. It is found in a range extending from southern China to Sumatra and Melanesia. This species was previously considered a subspecies of the Asian paradise flycatcher, Terpsiphone paradisi, until it was elevated to a separate species status by the International Ornithological Congress, IOC, in 2015. Key details: scientific name, Terpsiphone affinis, family Monarchidae, distribution, southern China, Sumatra, Melanesia, taxonomic status, initially a subspecies of the Asian paradise flycatcher, but reclassified as a distinct species based on